Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon wishlist to OnlyFans. Let's begin. So once you've opened up Amazon and logged into your account, you're going to go to the right side here and then select create a list. And then we are going to call it OnlyFans list. And then we're going to select create. So once it is done, we're going to go to the right side here and then select more and select manage list. So there where it says privacy, we are going to make it private because we don't want anybody to see this list. And then select don't manage this list through Alexa. And then you can also add in your email address if you want to, and then the birthday, and then the month. And then if there's already a shipping address that you created or entered, then what you need to do is scroll down again, and then look for something which says share my shipping address with sellers. Now, if this option is selected, make sure that it is unselected. And then make sure that this is selected as well. Don't spoil my surprises. And then you are going to select Save Changes. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.